Many of us grew up in a small town or a village in India. We studied almost all subjects in the local regional language. Apart from that, we also had Hindi and English as a subject to learn. We had to score passing marks in all subjects, and only then we could move to the next class. Thereafter, the government had initiated a rule stating that children cannot be failed in examinations, as they may get discouraged and would perhaps not come back to school. That made grade 1 to grade 9 an easy journey. All we had to do was move from one class to the other. We did learn new subjects on the way. This rule, however, had its drawbacks. Since there was no fear of failing, and so, there was a loss in focus. Students would just go through with classes without really perfecting any skill. Adding to that, it was also observed that teens between 14 to 15 years of age were developing an educated attitude but not skills. Simple calculations required a calculator, instead of applying one's mind. Even if a child belonged to a family of carpenters and blacksmiths, the child would plainly lack the skill set. Our society believes that a person is valued only if he or she is an engineer or a doctor. Do we need only engineers and doctors in our society? Don't we need practical skills than just bookish knowledge? In the Western world, we see people paying high charges for domestic repairs to a handyman. A person who does domestic repairs. This charge is equivalent to or is more than an engineer's hourly rate. I believe that we missed learning the basic skills in our early life. Like, anchoring bookcase to a wall. Seal simple leakage. Change light fittings, etc. Isn't it time that these basic skills be included as a part of early life curriculum to empower a generation? EveryEng. Everything for engineering. Do hit the subscribe button to get regular updates about more such videos. And don't forget to share it with your friends and family.